Welcome to this tutorial on creating stunning maps using QGIS. Today we are focusing on the area boundary and adding layers for buildings and hospitals to design a visually captivating and informative map. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced GIS user, so this tutorial will take your map making skills to the next level. So first make sure you have all the layers we will be using here. So in my case, I will use boundary layer is for Islamabad. So plugin OSM place search this Islamabad administrative boundary, add to layer, rename this one Islamabad boundary. Okay. So after this we need building layers, which is point or polygon. So downloading from here. In preset you can search building, click on it, house in where Islamabad, run query. Now wait for it. If the area is larger, so it takes some time. Okay, so I don't need the point data, remove this one. Okay, now the third one is the hospital layer. So again click on it, write a hospital, click on it in where Islamabad. Maybe your layer is changed. Okay, so we don't need this, remove layer. Okay, now let's make our map visually stunning by styling each layer. So selecting the Islamabad boundary in the layer panel, so right click on it, go to properties, click on symbology. By default is selected. Okay, so click on it, transparent fill, and stroke line. We'll select from here and a stroke. Now here you can see stroke width updated, so it's better. Okay, for the building layers, use a categorical symbology. Click on properties. Here you can change the symbols. Single symbols categorized graduated, but for now I'm using single symbol. If you have additional attributes, so you can use the graduated symbol, this one, to visualize data like building height or occupancy. So what gonna do? Okay, green we will use for building. So simple fill, I will delete it. Apply. Okay. Hmm, to change it. Yeah, this one is okay. Now the third one is a hospital layer. Click on properties. Now for a hospital we use a red color. This one. Apply. Okay. Okay, now to make your map truly stunning, So let's add a essential map element like open street map. Mm, we change the color for the Islamabad boundary because it's not visible. Yeah, now that's good. And again, I can search world. Okay, now here in the layer panel, you can see the world map layer added. So you can also use a Google satellite image which provide context for your data. So now we make sure to on the labels for hospitals, show labels. Mm, labels, we don't need short name, we need a full name. This one, apply. Okay, now here you can see the full names of hospitals. Now for the house, first we check which type of data is available in attribute table of a building. Open attribute table here, building type house. What's the other data is present? So the name column is empty. So here we use building. Mm, double click on it. Click on label, single label. Now change the value for building. Apply. Okay. For layout, I downloaded the plugin which is a layout loader. How you can download it? Click on the plugins, find, manage and install plugins. All plugins open. Here you can search layout loader. This one I already installed. So for you guys, again I am reinstall the plugin. Okay, done. Now close. Now again click on the plugin, find the layout loader, click on layout loader. Now the pop-up is open. So here I am using Islamabad hospital and houses. So for this I'm using report A4 or simple A4 portrait. So this one is okay. Click OK. Now rendering map. Wait for it. It will take some time. You can do this by this way as well. Now drag this. Now the map is showed here. So if you want to change the title, so the title is Islamabad Hospital and Houses. Refresh HTML. Now here you can see Islamabad Hospital and Houses are showing on the layer. Now here half Islamabad is hide. So how we can do this to show the whole Islamabad layer on this map? Mm, Click on this icon. Now you can move the whole layer. So now the map is created. Okay, now if you want to some elements on the map, so here you can add the items. So click on the add item. If you want to add a label, add a legend, you can also find this option on the left side of the map window. So I want to show the legend of map. So click on add legend. Now click and drag the now adjust this legend. Okay, so these are the legend. If you want to show the north icon, this one is here. Again, click and drag the icon here. If you want to add some scales, again click on add item. You can also find here as well. Select and so boom. Now your map is created successfully. Now if you want to export as the image, click on it. Don't show this message again. Close. Save as .tiff. Change the format. I need it in JPEG format. Click save. Now export resolution is 600 or maybe 800 for best resolution. Now click on save. Now date created. It takes some time. Okay, so the map is exported successfully. It's a very high quality image which is exported. Okay, so and that's it. You have created a stunning map of Islamabad with buildings and hospitals using QGIS. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. See you in the next one.